Welcome to week 2 of your exercise physiology practical experience. In today's prac, we'll be focusing on the cardiovascular response to exercise as a complementation to what we did last time in terms of ventilation and gas exchange. As a brief reminder of the overall journey that we're on, we're at week 2, as I said. We've already achieved and completed the data capture and analysis for ventilation and gas exchange. This week we'll be providing you data that we collected focusing in on the cardiovascular response to exercise. As you can see, with the rest of the journey still to go, that's mostly focused in and around the prac report that you'll be submitting later. But in the second half of today's prac, we'll spend substantial amounts of time going through some of the data analysis and various calculations in Excel, both as a skill development session, but also as a journey into understanding various attributes of physiology and what then ultimately influences oxygen consumption. It's important before the 90-minute period when we all get together on Zoom that you've completed these instructions, and these instructions will also sit inside the lesson. Please make sure that you have downloaded the individual subject data Excel file, which is still listed in the Exercise 1 prac in Cura Cloud. And in there, please enter the raw data for the resting period only for the following 4 fields: the respiratory rate, the tidal volume, the fraction of expired carbon dioxide as a percent, as well as oxygen expired as a percent into the Excel file ready to go. I will then take you through the various calculations that are required to be completed, and then those calculations will form the foundation of the additional analyses that will be required as part A of the exercise physiology prac report. I hope you enjoyed today's prac. Obviously, we wish you were doing this in person, and remember that the in-person experience is a copy of this prac today, so please make sure you can get along to that if that's possible. Enjoy.